Jeans too short? Don't throw them away. Watch how I rebuild this denim using leather. This jeans became too short, but today I'll turn it into a stylish, wearable design. We're not just fixing the length, we're upgrading the style. Step 1. Mark a straight line at the center of the leg, using a ruler and tailor's chalk. Precision is everything. A clean line means a clean final look. Step 2. Carefully cut along the marked line. Slow and steady for perfect edges. Now the leg is separated. This is where the transformation begins. Step 3. Measure the full circumference of the leg opening. Accuracy is key. Step 4. Cut a leather strip about 10 centimeters wide, matching the leg circumference. This leather will extend the length and create a bold, modern design. Step 5. Sew one side of the leather to the lower leg section. Strong stitching for durability. Step 6. Attach the other side of the leather to the upper leg section. Slow stitching keeps the leather smooth and aligned. Now the length is restored, and the jeans look completely unique. Step 7. Press the leather insert with steam. This gives it a clean shape and perfect drape. Steam pressing improves structure, comfort, and professional appearance. Before, too short, unwearable. After, longer, stylish, and one of a kind. This is how creative tailoring turns a problem into a design feature. Upcycling denim saves money, adds style, and protects the planet. If you love creative denim upgrades like this, like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more professional sewing ideas. Comment below. Would you wear jeans with a leather insert? And What should I redesign next? See you in the next video.